So we're continuing from here. So now with the check boxes, we put a check. So we said, which section would you prefer for next year's conference? It's a question mark. So we'll come down, add check boxes. We go again, maybe morning, add afternoon, add evening, go weekend, now if there's an order, you can leave it there for the person to state. Is it a required field? Yes. Then we'll go to the next one. Now we want to see how to use drop down. Drop down, choose your preferred option. Okay, so you keep doing this, and where it's required you put it there. You get it. Now if we are done, so supposedly or assuming we are done, so maybe let's justify this place very well. So let's say tech savvy applicants registration form. So with this, if let's say this is the entire thing we want, then we'll come to submit as we went. And submit to ask you certain things under settings. Say collect email address. Do you want to? Yes, I want to. Allow multiple response. No. Allows respondents to edit response after submission. Maybe this time I will allow them. Show summary. Yes. Then we go to submit. So just like what happened with the template, it doesn't change. It stays the same. So if we want to, first of all, like I said, I will always go for copy. I'll copy first to be on the safer side. Okay. Then if you want to view the form, you can always view the form. So you see tech savvy application registration form. So your full name, the person. So this is how it's going to appear to the person. State clearly your expectation for this conference. The person will state which of the sections touched you. You have to put it there. So now you see the difference in the sections. Multiple choice, they are there. Check boxes. See, check box, you can check more. Multiple, you see, multiple choice, you can only pick one. This check box, you can check more than. Now the drop down, you see, you click drop down and then you choose. You get it. Send me a copy. This is for the person. Then that is it. It's done. So basically this is the form. Now just a little I want to add to it. So we can make some small editing to the form if we want. How do we do this? As we've come to the top edits, we come to that next icon that has that shape, oval shape with dots. Click on it. It says header style, question, robot, the text, and this. You can change the font size, the font style for your text. I don't want to, but the header, there's something we call choose image. Do you know what this is going to do? Now usually you see certain forms that are customized. So let's see if we can add our logo or some background to our picture. Quickly, let me see if I will get something. So we pick our logo here, tech savvy and we'll add it. Okay. If you want to change the color, you do that. Okay, let's assume that is how you want to pick something existing, but let me pick something here. I don't want the video to be too long and time wasting. So when we are done, we'll go to apply. So you see apply, it is there. You get it. So if we had wanted to continue, let me try again to see if I could get the customize section one. I think my image was too is quite huge. This is a logo, so my file is quite huge, but we also it, so I put it here and I customized it. See, so that is it. Okay, so this is how our forms finally looks like. Okay, great. So thank you once again for watching. As usual, if you have any questions, you can always send us a WhatsApp message or send us an email for a better clarification. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video.